back to Crypto Rally. It is March 24th, 2026. Looking at the daily chart currently. So from this top to where we just bounced at, to the top at $76,000, to this bottom at $67,336. We're currently bouncing up, hit the 0.5. Now we're consolidating between the 382 and 0.5. So if we get through here, this would be my first resistance zone between the 618, 786 at $74,000 and $72,600. If we get through here, this would be my targets for more resistance and then possible pullback. But this is the bear flag everybody's talking about. Down to the top, down to the bottom, to the top, down to the bottom, to the top. So who knows how long we're going to stay in this channel. We can end up hitting these higher targets, staying here more, or if we're going to break down. So just do one level at a time. I'm going to zoom into a 1 hour time frame to see what we're doing there for short term. So I'm going to go ahead and just delete the fib. See where we're at. So these are 1 hour, so I go from the bottom to the top. Go ahead and kind of reverse the fib just to see down levels. All right. And then that's good enough. And then we got the bottom. So if we need to come down to the downside, actually, let me go back to the daily real quick. And we're gonna look at on the daily RSIs. So the stock RSI came down. We're bouncing off. We're curling back up. So it's turning bullish. The curl. On the regular RSI, we're trying to break back through the signal line, so we haven't done that yet. But maybe by the end of the day, so that's looking good. And then we'll just go here on the hourly. Look at hourly. Staying above the signal line on the regular, and then we're coming back up to the bullish area. Overbought area, bullish area. On the hourly, so that's good, and you can see we bounced. Curled up, we're bouncing, but still have not bounced over this high, so right here in this downtrend. So we have some work to do to get back above this. And it's up to you if you want to do wick to wick right here. So we need to keep breaking. We need to keep being bullish to break over that. So you can see we came down. So from current high to where we bounced from down here, these are your levels. We're staying over 382, so that's bullish. Back above the 236, if we'll come lower between the 618 and 786 area for support. So that support area down here. And if we need to come lower, say bearish news comes out or come lower. Right now everything's looking kind of bullish. This would be my areas. Break through 69K. We break through 68,300. And we'll come down to 66,300 to 64,700. That would be my target for these moves for support for another bounce. And so now, and you can see these are my up targets, but now we can get like smaller targets just for the day. Just for the day. Reverse the fib. fib. Just zoom in, so from the top down to this bounce, and you can see 786, 618 came down, bounced, getting stuck between this area. So I usually, this is like, you know, a lot of resistance between the 618 and the 786. But if we get through that area, oops, I'll make this green. Stay with my colors. And then the smaller move. 618, 786. So it kind of just extends this level before we get there. So we could break through here. Resistance. Change that to right here. Just gonna change the color a little bit. Just a little bit. Alright, so there's the hourly trend. So if we get through this level here where we're having issues with, and then come up to this area first, maybe higher from the other time frame. But so first resistance area is 72,237 to 72,924, and then these are your levels, lower levels that we talked about earlier. But you can even zoom in here to where current resistance is and change the fib. This depends on what you're looking at, what time frame, time horizon. So if we go from here, shorter time, if we do need to pull back and cool off, this is stock RSI, and you have here, here, 618, 786. That's 70,566 to 70,342. So we said if this RSI comes up and we need to cool off and come back down, this would be the first area I'm looking for. This would be my second area I'm looking for. Just from this move right here, this little move. So we're just looking at what's going to happen today, where we're looking for support, support, bounce higher. Or resistance, resistance, come down lower, back up until hopefully we'll come back up to here, come up to these areas, and then down and keep bouncing higher. But this is bear flag because they're trending up. If it was a bull flag, these would be trending down and bounce higher. So supposedly at some port, according to analytics, this is going to break down, and then we'll have lower targets. But right now, I rambled on for too long, but those are my targets for the day. And that is it. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Can you make a little W pattern higher? That'd be great. But everybody have a wonderful day, and like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. And again, this is not financial advice.